Hello kids. So in our previous class we had gone through the elements of the story and also we came to know how to use them, how to identify them. Yes? Okay. Now in this class what are we going to do? So we already completed how to find using the senses. Now here in this we are going to identify and use the order words to sequence the events. You know what happened in the story, all the events. So how to identify the sequence words, means the order words. Already you learned in previous classes, but still once again we are going to read what are these order words because we want to identify them. So identifying means when we read something, whatever is there in the story, from that you must be able to identify. So if I ask you to identify the nouns from a story, what you want to do? You want to read the story and you want to identify the nouns, like what are the names, what are the places, what are the things which we can, and what are the animals names. So whatever is that you are going to find them. Identifying, if some things are there, picking up the correct one is nothing but identifying. So here what are we going to identify? We want to identify the order words. So if we want to identify the order words, first of all we want to know what are these order words. So once let us see what are these order words. So first is the first order word. So whatever we want to talk about something, a story, to keep them in order. So first we say first. Normally we say first, second, third, to keep them in order in a line. Yes, even some books or something alphabetical order like A, B, C. This is the order for alphabetical. So things according to the sizes we keep them in order. Yes, so even the events what are happening in our life. So first a baby will be there. So next what happens? He grows. What is the stages of that baby? So according to that stages we call them. Yes. So in the same way, every event, morning till evening, these are the events what are happening in our life. The situations, the what is occurring in our life, in our day. Maybe it may be per day, in a week, or in an year, or according to the situation from our life, means from birth to the death, the journey. So what is happening? They may write in the form of stories, serials, or something. Okay, so to sequence them, to put them in an order, we need the order words. Mostly the order words is very important while cooking. What to use, what are the ingredients, first what we want to take, how to use them. Basing on this, normally we use that order words. Even to give commands, first you do this, next after that. So by giving the commands also we use the order words to make them to do something in a proper order. So wherever we need to arrange something in proper order, we want to remember that to sequence them, we need some order. Yes, for that order, we use this order words. So while writing something like preparation of some any dishes, okay, to give some order to do something. So for all this we use the order word. So first is the first order word we use. Then is the next order word. So then, then. There is a difference between than and then. THA and then. Then means after this. So next. After that, meanwhile, means while something is happening, the other thing is also occurring. So meanwhile he is doing some. Okay, now meanwhile, after that, meanwhile. So first, then, next, after that, later. Means one thing happened, after that later he did. They later asked him to do, later he did this, later he did that. So in that way we can do. And then comes finally. Then comes finally. Finally means it's the last. So by using this order words, how to use? The first is the one which we use first. The finally is the word which we want to use at the last ending. We can say last ending are also the words which they use sometimes for the order words, but normally we use these words in our order. Okay. Other than these, the words like then, next, after that, meanwhile, later. These words which are there in between first and finally, these words can be repeated according to the sentences we have. How many times we want, we can repeat them. Mostly we use first, then, next, after that, final. These 5 words are the mostly used words, and sometimes we use the words like meanwhile and later, and this can be used as many times as we need in the context according to our necessary. Okay, so whatever a sentence starts, we want to start with first. Then is the one which we can use for the second sentence, or we can use next for the second sentence. After that, so after that, after using then and next only, we want to use after that. Means a sentences while repeating, we can use these then, next, after that. How many times we want, that many times we can repeat in the paragraph. Okay, then last ending sentence must contain the word like final. So these are the order words. Now if I ask you to arrange something in order given, then you want to use all these words and you want to arrange them according to the order. Means whatever is happening first, for that you must write first only. The one which is occurring in the last, we want to use finally. The other words can be used in between. How many times you want, that many times, by just interchanging the words. Okay, now to prepare a lemonade, already we discussed previously. What do you do normally? First, we take a lemon, some sugar, a glass of water. So these are the ingredients. So lemon, sugar, glass of water. If you want, you can take a pinch of salt or something. Yes. So in this way you can take them and you can use them. So first I take the ingredients. Then we cut the lemon. So after that, so the words which we are using, after that, we squeeze it into the water. Next, we stir it by using a spoon. Then, so these words like next, after that, then can be used however we want. So finally, I can say that lemonade is ready. Otherwise, I can say then the lemonade is ready. Finally, I serve it into the glasses. So in this way, we use the words to prepare a lemonade. Now, we can take the volume S3 and complete it by using this order word. So you want to identify. Now let us see page number 17, the order words. Underline the order words in the paragraph. So you want to read this paragraph. As I said you before, you want to identify the order words which you had already read. Now fill in the words with order words. So according to the context given, just read it and which word must use. So already I told you that first is the word which you want to use for the sentence which we want to use in the beginning, and finally for the ending. But other words can be used accordingly in between. Now you want to write a paragraph about what you did in school, not today, but earlier, whatever. Whenever you came to school, normally what do you do regularly? Basing on that, you write a paragraph using the order words and complete your volume page number 17 in your book. Okay, now complete it and send it to WhatsApp. Okay kids, thank you.